Today is a big day because two things. One, tomorrow we have two shows that we're actually going to. One we're actually in, one is something we're actually probably not welcome to. It's an exotics meet, so we're gonna just go and check it out and have some fun. But two, we have Tuned Originals, which is gonna be the first show that Wayne, the original creator of Hot Import Nights, put together, and he has his new event, and it's the first one now going to be here in Seattle, and so we're going to be taking advantage of that and attending the show. We have some things that we actually need to take care of. We have some wrap that's coming up. It's not good. We got to figure that out. My fender flares are just so janky and so cheaply made, and I'm so upset that I paid so much money for them that the placement on them makes one side look higher than the other. And there's no way to fix that. So honestly, we need a new kit. What should I get? I don't know. I'll let you guys decide. If you guys can comment in the box below, or I'm just gonna ask some friends. We'll just see what happens. But it's gonna be up to you guys. I'm not exactly sure which one I want to get. I have one in mind, but I don't know how much longer they're actually gonna be in stock and still making them. Plus, we're gonna install a couple things. So let's do that. Let's install some stuff. What we got here? I think we're only going to install one thing and then wash this car because the car is absolutely filthy. No pun intended, JJ. It's disgusting. So we definitely need to do that. I thought I was going to cut and lower, but I'm not. Also, we're going to do some fine touching here and there as far as fixing these flares. So even though they look terrible and I hate the way that they are, we can actually fix it and do something about it. Always stay hydrated, boys. Number one, before you work on anything, stay hydrated. Norway. I think that was too much. Okay, let's actually do something. So let me show you guys real quick exactly what I'm talking about as far as like this gappage and everything, and the reason why I'm going to use this 3M mounting tape, which I'll show you in a second, what I'm talking about. And like, I'm coming to realize, whoa, what happened? I'm not going to win anything this weekend. I know for a fact because I'm seeing so many flaws myself on this car, and although it does look good from far away up close, I'm not happy. So this is kind of what I'm talking about. You take a look, you can see the massive gap in between the actual car. So you can kind of see, push it in there. Oh. Just this massive gap that it's just not okay. I'm not liking it. This side fits a lot better than the other side, but we just took this one off. I'm super disappointed with HT Auto and their quality. Paid like $700 for these flares. That's a lot for really small fender flares that are shitty quality. It is what it is. And from a distance it looks good, but I know I'm not gonna win anything this show, but the best we can do is try and get it the best we can. And that means just clean it up a little bit. That's all I really got. Anyways, let's put on this mounting tape and get all these flares off, and then let's install the 85 kit real quick. Then we'll wash it, and I gotta head to work. Oh, one thing you guys didn't know that I got done, I'm gonna have to show you. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. What we got here? What we got here? Ooh, girl. Already set up for the show. Look at those. RGB LED halo C lights and demonized like a mouse. Oh, look at that mess up my screen. I can't even pick it up. All controlled from my phone. I'm so excited about that. They look so good. Oh, I actually have to install the splitter rods. How much time do I got? 2? Oh my god, I have 2 hours. All right. I got 2 hours. I gotta set you guys down. We actually gotta get to work. Never mind. I don't have enough mounting tape and I don't have enough time to go to the store and get them. So, wow. Today's really starting to turn out to be really shitty because we're not going to get anything done. Let's drill this front splitters. I'm going to have to get these fucking fender flares back on. And then head to work. Some carbon fiber splitters, courtesy of Amazon. I definitely recommend going there instead of paying $80 at some bullshit place. Let's drill some of this and then get these at least installed because I don't think I'm gonna be able to do anything else. Sorry for this being a downer kind of thing, but we'll figure it out. Like, it's all good. And look at all this wire. Yeah. Got some headlights and shit, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna include that in the video. That's pretty gay. Rip me. Now we have access to J-pipe and the turbo. That's the ground that's giving me a code right now. I don't have anywhere to put it. So there's that green tab that I'm gonna have to take off and adjust for the O2 sensor for the actual E85. So let's get that installed. Oh baby. Oh baby. I'm excited. I just can't believe it. Okay, so we're almost pretty much, the fuck am I saying? We're pretty much done. Basically, we did a short, so we did insert line here for fuel line, and then we also attached this one to the firewall. Both of these lines right here route down to the actual sensor for the E85. Then of course we have our kind of a master connector to kind of tie everything in so it knows what's going on. We bolted that to our intercooler piping, I guess, frame. And then it has 3 different wires that go down here. So one actually goes to the module, so it's able to read the fuel pressure and everything like that. And then the other one's going to be to the TGVs. Now I did get deletes, so we'll be kind of taking these off when we do the deletes, but that'll be down the road. And then way down there, which is where we're going next, is where we're going to attach it to the O2 sensor so it can read. But I don't know how well that's going to work since my O2 sensor isn't like working at all. So yeah, we'll have to figure that out. Let's go underneath. I know that the O2 sensor, like I mentioned earlier, is this fucking green thing. And if I can do this with one hand. Oh, got it. Okay, there we go. So got that undone. And now we're going to insert one of these. And then, so we're going to put this one here, because that's the connector. And this is going to relay into the O2 sensor. Oh, wait. Yeah. The fuck? There we go. E85! And then we'll like pull this wire up and make it all clean.
And she does too. We're still waiting on him. He's got paper, plastic bags of drugs. Just drugs. Drugs! On a better note, everything's installed. Now we got to put everything back together and then also get the fuse back in, which hopefully the fuel pump isn't going to shit on me since I pulled the fuse in the middle of it running. It's time to put everything back together.
The next day.